Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that was actually, I actually had the company reach out to me to see if I would give it a try and possibly give a review on it. So here I am today, just to talk about the Besque Magic Luxury Body Oil. It is to firm, tighten and hydrate loose skin for bums, tums, thighs and underarms. So this is the bottle, well this is the packaging, and it's 100 ml, which is about 3.4 fluid ounces. So it's 100% natural, cruelty free and vegan. I'll just read a little bit about what's on the back of it before I dive in and give you my thoughts. So the Magic Luxury Body Oil hydrates while tightening loose skin, targets stretch marks and blemishes, smoother, more toned appearance, leaves skin feeling soft and promotes a more confident you. So this product is primarily made out of prunus. Well, let me just leave the ingredients up there for you. So yeah, it contains your sweet almond oil, your evening primrose oil, your rosehip oil, vitamin E, and geranium oil, lavender oil, and some patchouli oil. Now, I'm not a big fan of patchouli oil, but I find that the patchouli oil in this product is not overwhelming. It's actually quite pleasant. So my first thoughts were, I'm not really fond of putting on an oil over my skin because I don't like that sticky, icky feeling. And even with moisturizers that claim to be non-greasy, I kind of find that they are, and you know, they might go and say it's a beautiful body butter, it's a nice gel cream, you put it on, it's still like that really tacky feeling. Not with this, guys, not with this. This is the product. Beautiful bottle. And it comes in a pump and it does have a lock, so you can lock it in case you're traveling. It won't come undone. Make sure this is tight. I did have a bit of an issue trying to actually get this to turn around, but the key is to make sure this bottom part of the bottle, or this bottom part of the cap, is tight, and then you can twist the knob to open it up. So I'll just give you a little bit of a squirt just to show you the consistency of that. It's very, very beautiful. It's very sort of like, it kind of reminds me of back in the day, it's a little bit like, it's not exactly 100%, but the Neutrogena sesame oil that was back in, I mean, I used to use that every single day when I was in my early 20s and 30s, and I stopped. What I can say about this oil is it doesn't leave a greasy feeling, and a little bit does go a long way. For a whole body, I used 3 pumps. So I would do 1 pump, I would do both of my legs, and then I would do another smaller pump to get my arms going, all over my elbows, and then just 1 more pump to put over the abdomen area. Now, what actually I did find was it does leave a cooling sensation on the skin, and I would say that that would be one of the oils in there that would contribute to giving you like a cooling sensation. So if you don't like a cooling sensation anywhere near your tummy, don't put it on your tummy. For me, I didn't mind it so much, but I know that I need to just kind of like not take it right up to the underbra area. It can get a little bit, ooh, it's cool, you know what I mean, like mentholish cool, even though there is no menthol or peppermint oil in this product whatsoever. The product is made in Britain. Apply a few drops of body oil directly to the skin. Massage this in for 5-10 minutes to promote circulation and allow all the oil to absorb for a smooth and radiant glow. For best results, use daily after showering, and that's what I did. So in the evening, which is when I tend to have a shower, but there's people that obviously like to have showers in the morning. You would put it on, especially when your skin is not 100% dry. So don't dry it off too much, because the little bit more moisture that you have on your skin, the less product that you'll need to use of this to get it working into the skin. Now, in terms of the firmness, did I find any firmness happening in my skin? I'm not a daily checker of looking at myself in the mirror and seeing for elasticity and all that sort of stuff, but I just felt a silkiness. I felt like my skin was silky. It felt like it was smooth, you know, especially when you shave your legs, for example, and you put on this oil. It just feels luxurious. It just feels like you're in between silky sheets, so to speak. Give it a go. I think you might like it. I haven't actually even heard of this product until the company reached out, and mind you, I'm not a big Instagram or Facebook scroller. So what makes this body oil so special? So it has a fast absorbing texture. Unlike some oils that just sit on top of the skin, this one just sinks right in. It's beautiful, and it does not give you any greasy afterfeel whatsoever. It says that it's targeted to firm, loose skin, such as the tummy, the thighs, and the bum, including underarms. It has like this really nice hydrating power, not only deeply nourishing dry skin, but it just gives you this beautiful glow. Just gives you a beautiful glow. And the luxury feel of this product, the packaging, the scent, and the formulation really do give it a premium vibe. So it's perfect for daily use or your skincare rituals. Great for post-showering. And you know what else, guys? A morning massage, evening massage. Get your partner, if you have one, rub some of this oil over your back, massage it in. It would be perfect for massage oil, honestly. I wish I had someone to do that for me, but I don't. I think I might need to work on that. But anyway, what would I suggest? It really is up to personal preference. If you've never tried a body oil before, I would love to say give this a go. So I'll just give you the difference between a body oil and a body butter. Body oils are lightweight and they're liquid. Body butters are thick and creamy. When it comes to absorption, body oils absorb faster, especially on damp skin. Body butters, slower absorption. So body oils are best for glowy finish, massage and hydration, even layering. I do find though that body butters are better for moisturizing drier patches. The finish with a body oil is silky. So with the body butter, it'll feel either rich or even sometimes matte. So even though it might not leave you feeling greasy, sometimes it'll feel like a little bit dried out, like a matte feeling. So in terms of the actual body oil, you can use it for summer and all year round hydration. So with the body butters, I would recommend using them in winter or when your skin is absolutely dry. Now, once you've come out of the shower and you're slightly damp, so towel off obviously, but make sure your skin's slightly damp, apply 2 to 3 pumps of the oil, massage it in, wait about 2 to 3 minutes before putting on any of your clothes, just because you don't want to obviously get that absorption from the oil going into your clothes. You want to keep that nice and dry. Or you can absolutely mix this in with your regular lotion. I would probably recommend a fragrance-free lotion if you have one, or maybe even the Boom Boom Cream by Sol de Janeiro. Mix it in with that, just maybe a drop or so if you're sensitive to oils and you just want an extra little bit of moisture barrier along with the cream. You can definitely mix it in. And obviously you can spot treat certain areas. So if you don't want to do the whole body with this oil, you can definitely just focus on doing your back of the thighs, the arms, the tummy, or you could just do from the knees down towards your ankles, even possibly just massaging the oil into the soles of your feet and putting some socks on before you go to bed to give you some nice silky tootsies when you wake up in the morning. So it doesn't just moisturize, it helps tighten and improve skin texture over time. Great if you're focusing on areas with loose or crepey skin like post-weight loss, pregnancy, or just general skin changes with age. The bottle's pump makes it easy and mess-free and actually looks gorgeous on your bathroom shelf. So my friends, I have been loving this oil, but I think this is going to last a little bit of time for me because obviously I like to change things up. I'm not a 100% dedicated person when it comes to products. As you know, I like to give everything a chance. All the stuff that I have in my kit, you know, you've got to use them up. So one day it might be the body oil, the next minute it might be a body butter, the next it might just be a light lotion. Sometimes if I'm lazy, I might not put anything on at all. I've been guilty of doing that. I'm sure you have been too. So guys, these are my thoughts on the Besque Magic Body Oil. Don't be shy, give it a try. And on that note, I will see you all again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and I forgot to mention, for a special discount code, I'll leave that in the description box below. Feel free to share it around or not. You might just want to keep this magic body oil secret all to yourself. Bye for now.